Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a cable pullover. First exercise, we have the cable pullover. We're going to grab this straight bar right here, bring our hips back slightly, arms straight. That way we have more range of motion at the shoulder joint than if we're standing straight up. So we're going to pull the hips back, keep the arms straight, and bring your hands right down to your legs. You want to exhale on the way down. And you should feel this exercise in your back and in your core. Now there's a quick tutorial of our cable pullover. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Cable pullover, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.